Sydney.
I'm Carrie, and this is your cocktail of the week. Today's going to be really fun because we've already made a few cocktails, and now we have to pronounce this liqueur that we found in Mexico. No idea what it is. It's Huana liqueur of Guanabana.
She did that really well. I don't think I could have got it out.
We have no idea what Guanabana is. We really don't. But it's a Mayan fruit, and we were just reading all about it. And it's sort of like a Mexican rum, but it's made from this cool fruit that looks like a breadfruit, but it tastes sort of a little bit like kiwi almost.
Yes, it's very interesting.
It's really good.
If you're in Mexico, pick it up in the airport. You can get it duty-free.
Guanabana.
Guanabana.
I'm calling this the Mayan princess. So it's really simple. We're doing 1-to-1. So I'm going to do 4 ounces of the Guanabana liqueur. I'm going to do 4 ounces of Laughing Glass Classic Margarita right into our cocktail shaker with ice.
Yummy.
It's really yummy. The liqueur is a little heavy. It's almost a little nectary.
Right. It does have a little bit of consistency to it.
Yeah. So I also have this prosecco. So I'm going to have you taste it like this first and see what you think. And then we're going to float some prosecco on top too, because I think you can have it either way.
I think that sounds fabulous.
So taste that way.
It smells really, really good too.
Isn't
It's
it
really
yummy?
a fascinating fruit. Oh, cheers. Yum.
Oh my gosh, isn't that
That's
good?
really good. Yeah,
A little
that's really
honey.
good. And it is a little like, there's like a little sweet consistency, but it's not overly sweet. It's very interesting. So this will be fantastic.
But I think this will be good
Do
to
a
just
little prosecco on
kind
top.
of make it a little sparkly on top.
Oh yeah, that's really nice. That's really good.
Oh, yeah.
Cheers.
Yummy. Cheers. Enjoy. I hope you can find it. Guanabana. You know you wanna. Little Hana Guanabana. Cheers.